Welcome back. My name is Maxim from Momoyoga, and today we're going to have a look at how we can manage our teacher payouts. To get started, we're going to go to our Momoyoga environment, and we're going to click on Teachers in the left menu bar, and then we're going to click on the specific teacher who we want to pay out. So in this case, we have one teacher, and within the teacher overview, we can basically see everything they've been doing from the classes they've been teaching to the participants that have entered those classes to the amount of people who attended and the estimated turnover from those classes. Now, when we're ready, we're able to export it and we can select the specified format that we need. And also if we want to specify a certain period, we can do so in here. So we can see exactly what they did within that certain time frame. And that's basically everything in regards to teacher payout and how you manage that. And that was it for this tutorial. We hope you found it useful. Let us know what you think. And if you want to know more about Momoyo, or if you have any other question, you can visit our help center. And if you enjoyed this video, we have many more videos like this covering a lot of different topics.